That's gotta be ridiculous.
I don't know how much that is.
Come
I
on.
think it's a lot.
I just got the free games on high stakes, 4 trigger bonus. Chipper. Oh, nice. Get a little firework action.
Yeah.
65. Come on, Chip. Alright, 209, not bad. Ooh, good song. Alright, 2 more for good luck. All goes. 10.
Oh, aces. Oh, this good. It's so much harder to re-trigger this one.
Boogies times 3. Alright, not our best work, but...
One more?
Yeah, one more for good luck.
Let's go!
Let's get that 10x one. It's like 1200.
I suggest you getting higher. Alright, one more for good luck. I got that. Aggressive look. Yes. Mirror move. Okay. He gone. Okay. Winner line. He gone. Got one of everything. Major 43.
Now we have to get a mega mix.
One more for good luck.
On fire!
It's on fire.
Just keep going. Nice.
Yeah! Wicked wheel! Come on! Touch the spin! Let's go! Major progressive!
Again.
Win, that's free!
All right. Minor removed. Top right.
That's what I was going to pick next.
All right!
Major again. Three majors in like 5 spins. Alright, one more for good luck. Let's go. Let's get this one. Alright.
Wait a minute.
I said denomination.
I think we get the lock. I don't know.
Did it again. Oh, press play. Oh, so 400 times.
Yeah.
I'm good at that.
Got it again.
Press play.
Wow, nice. 318, so what did we win? 564, 100 and like 50.
won pretty good
almost.
money. This is Pink Panther.
One more for good luck.
Brand. Oh yes, one more for good luck. Bonus on cash trap. Oh my goodness, come on. Come on, one more. Alright. Major's 1436. Is 10-cent denom. Major. 20 spot. Come on, let's get that major. 25 spot, alright. Alright, not bad. Take it. Alright, 2 more for good luck. Alright, one more. 2.
What are you doing? Yay! Alright, something good. Lucky you. Alright, we want a bonus of some sort, not a multiplier, unless it's a really, 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 really good multiplier. Bonus, 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 bonus. Alright, so at least we know we're winning $50. Locking 5 in an active row. Okay, that's right, that's right, that's right. We might not win $50 actually. Alright, I'm very nervous. Alright, moving up, moving up. But we have to get 5 to win. But we can get multiple of these.
Yeah. Okay, moving on up.
Can we just fill this one up to make me feel better?
Alright, moving on up.
Already got one there. Hello? You're lying.
No.
Oh, but we get those amounts. Alright. Not bad. Well, we won more than 50 at least, but that would have been nice to get those. Okay, well, that sucks. I don't need a redemption.
Alright, got free games again on Ultimate Fireworks. wonder if you could drop progressive on here.
I need extra games.
Alright.
I think it just says big wins for everything.
One more for good luck.
So loud.
Lightning cash.
Get a minor. So the mini.
Oh, hell yeah, come on. Take it. Alright, one more for good luck. Oof.
It's rough. It's rough. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
1250 bet.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, let's hit a mini.
Nice. Oh, hell yeah, that's gotta be fun.
I don't know how much that is.
Come on, let's go.
One more.
Let's go. Alright, I'll take that.
I will definitely take Nice.
Alright, handpay time.
Still have 4 spins left, too. Get another briefcase.
Nice, nice.
Good.
Definitely.
1207.
1207, just the handpay. 1207. Lightning cash. Alrighty.
We'll be back.
Great game. We'll be back.
Alright. Let's get a word.
Come on. Oh, saw the mini pass like 4 times. go.
Alright, 2 more.
Oh! That's gotta be ridiculous.
I don't know how much that is.
Come
I
on.
think it's a lot.
Alright, 2 more spins. Let's go. Okay,
How much is that?
that's gotta be ridiculous. Holy crap.
Can it be 12.50? I think it's 12.50, Rob. Yes.
Oh my god. Let's go.
Yes.
Got him. Yeah. Crazy, man.
Nice chip. I don't see many of those.
I know.
That's what it was like the second to last one we got too. Like, holy crap.
All small numbers except that one. Alright.
Start small, they stay small.
Yeah, I know. I'll take it.
Handpay, baby. Let's go. Second of the day.
Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.